I've spent countless hours watching trading videos and adding a ton of indicators on my charts, and I have found the best indicator for trading. And this is what it looks like. I know the allure of finding that one indicator that will guarantee success is strong, but here's the truth. I've come to a realization that there's no holy grail indicator that will magically lead you to profits. It's not about the tool, it's about the trader. So what is the best indicator? It's experience. Yes, you heard it right. It's the countless hours spent analyzing charts, making mistakes, and learning from them. That's the true secret behind successful trading. It's not a shortcut, it's a journey. Now don't get me wrong, indicators have their place, whether it's moving averages, RSI, MACD, or any other fancy acronym. They all are essentially doing the same thing: present historical price data in a different format. They don't predict the future, they help you make sense of the past and the present. Think of it like this: if you gave a dozen artists the same set of paints and brushes, each would create a unique masterpiece. Similarly, traders use indicators as tools, but it's the skill and creativity of the trader that turns the data into profitable decisions. The journey to becoming a successful trader is about honing your skills, developing a deep understanding of the markets, and staying disciplined. It's not about finding the perfect indicator. It's about using the tools wisely in conjunction with your experience and insights. So the next time you're tempted to search for the best indicator to turn your $500 trading account into $100,000, remember that the best indicator is staring back at you in the mirror. You got this, and if you fail, just try again.